This is DANL100, Programming for Data Analytics. Chapter 12, Introduction to R Packages. Agenda. In this short video, I'll discuss the following topics. Topic number 1, why is it so important to understand R package? Topic number 2, 3 ways to install an R package. Topic number 3, how to find help for a specific R package. Topic number 4, most important commands related to R package. Topic number 5, generate an R dataset for all available R packages and write a program to search it.
Shutterstock Music.
Topic number 2, 3 ways to install a specific R package. Okay, first step. So let's see how to find a list of R package. Okay, so we go to R. So I'm going to use a new one. Okay, you type r-project.org. Okay. From here, r-project.org, step 1. Step 2, just click CRAN on the download. Okay. Choose a mirror. Okay. Mirror actually is like server, location of the server. Okay. And so any server in the US will be fine. And on the left hand side, there is so-called package. Okay. And today is March 30th. We have over 17,000 package available. Okay. So actually there are two lists. One list is sorted by the date of the updating and submission. So if it's brand new R package, then it will record the date it's submitted. Alternatively, it's an old package update. When they submit, then the date will be recorded. Okay. The second one is sorted by name. So usually I click the first one. Okay. For the first one, so on the left, the first column is the date. The second column is the name of the package. Then the title will have a short description, a short explanation or short title. Okay. Okay, we can use Control F to search this list. I'm going to show you how to install EDGAR, E-D-G-A-R. Okay, so EDGAR is electronic data gathering, analysis. I think last one is retrieval or reporting. Okay, so this is mentioned here specifically as SEC filing. I'm going to use next one. Okay, so this is EDGAR. Tools for the US SEC EDGAR retrieval and parsing of corporate filings. Okay, just click here. Okay, and from here, so we can download edgar.pdf. So this is like a menu. Okay, so this is like a menu. I'm going to explain this one. This is third method, how to install a specific R package. First way to install a specific R package is to use command line. For example, we are going to install so-called EDGAR. Okay. Install packages. Okay. Install dot packages. Then the name of the okay. So this is first way to test it. We can use library. Okay, so we use library to load this specific R package. Okay, so this is first way. Okay, the second way is just click package and install. Okay, install. And because actually there's another step. Okay, it's choose the mirror. Okay, because we choose it already. Okay, and suppose let's choose quant mod. Q PQ. Quant. So this is QuantDANL. QuantDANL is a platform for the financial economics data. QU. Yeah, quant MOD. It's quantitative financial modeling. Okay, so this is the second way to install. Okay, the third way is suppose we are interested in specific R package. So R package, then we download it. So we download it, then we click R and install package from local file. Then we find the location of that download zip file. Then we click open. Then we can install it. Okay, you type .c12. So this is about chapter 12, okay, introduction to R packages. Okay. I'm going to mention so-called task view. Okay. And so let's go back to the R-project. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, here. Okay, so this is type R-project.org. Then we click CRAN. We choose the mirror, and on the left-hand side, the so-called task view. Okay, task view. Okay, click task view. And it here mentions the CRAN task view. Okay, it's mentioned specifically CRAN task view provides some guidance which package on CRAN are relevant for a specific task or topic. Okay, so all these are topics. Okay, all these are topics. Okay, and for finance economics, we might be interested in econometrics and extreme value. Here we have finance, and so let's click finance. Okay, we click finance. Okay, and so this is a page. Okay, so this is March 1st, 2021, and for the all these R package. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are so many R package related to the empirical finance. Okay, so this is related to the empirical finance. Okay, and so this is a standard regression model, and the time series is going down. More specifically related to finance and risk management, and also books. There are so many things. Okay. The beauty of this task is it's like summary. They put all the R package together. So if you are interested, for example, optimization, you can click here. Then you get more information about this specific package or area. Okay. Okay. The next one is about task view. Okay. So actually, suppose for the task view, we have like 200 R package related to the finance. Okay, then we can install this 200 R package at the same time. Okay, so this is 7. Okay, and for example, we are interested in machine learning. Suppose this is machine learning or finance. We can still use, and so we need R supply a tool so we can install all the R package related to a specific topic. Okay, so this is .c12 and .c12 7. Okay. So if we need the we need the CTV. So this is our package. If you haven't installed this one, just copy paste this one. We install the R package called the CTV. So this one we upload this specific package called CTV. Okay, so this is a warning message. Okay, so package CTV was built on the R version 4.0.4. So let's look at mine. Okay, so my version is 4.0.3. Okay, after I update my R version to the latest one, so this warning message will disappear. Okay, again, warning message most of the time has no impact on your actions. Okay, so this is one for the machine learning. Okay, we can go back, and so let's try this one, econometrics. Okay, econometrics. Okay, so this is CTV update view. So I think it's installed view. Installed views. For econometrics. Okay. Okay, I repeat. Okay, so for here it's installed. Okay, CTV installed. Then I choose a location, and I choose one of location US. Then it will update. It will install all the R package related to the econometrics. Okay, so I'm going to stop recording and show you final result when it stops. Okay, this is the final result. Okay, and I'm going to try to copy paste to see how many R package and download and installed for this so-called econometrics task view. Okay. Okay. So let's generate. I'm going to save this one. Okay, I'll save this one first. Okay, I'm going to paste here. Okay, so this is all the R package downloaded and installed related to econometrics. I'm going to save it. So this is so let's save the C. So here is the temp. How many? So I use how many. I'm going to use another name. Okay. And suppose I use x equals read line. Okay, read line C temp. How many? How many? Okay, so this is x. So length x. 143. Okay, 143. And so I use .c12. I think it's 8. Okay. Oh, I think it's 7. Okay. See, we use two lines. Library CTV, install .view, econometrics. Then total we installed 143 R package related to the specific topic. It's called econometrics. And the same thing apply to other task view. Okay, we only use like 1 or 2 lines. Okay, so if CTV is not Okay, so this is update. So this is this is updating for specific views. Okay. Next topic. So I'm going to show you how to get information about the specific R package. Okay, and again, library EDGAR. Okay, so this one we load a specific R package. Okay, so usually I use help package equal EDGAR. Okay, so if I want to get some information like what kinds of function available for this specific R package, then I type help package equal the name of the R package. So this is what is called the tools for US SEC EDGAR retrieval parsing corporate filing. Okay, I'm going to show this one index. Okay, get must index. Okay, and the function is very simple. We only just one function and the year, so which specific year. So let's copy and paste. Okay, suppose we use 2020. Okay, 2020. So this is 1 year. Okay, recall we have done like the loop, and we write a double loop. We can download the index file from 1993 up to 2020. Okay, so this is a typical example. If we use a specific related R package, make our task much easier. Okay, you see only like a couple of seconds, then we got our result. Okay, so use dir. Okay, I have too many stuff. Okay, so I'm going to set. Okay, I'm going to use the like dir create. I'm going to use tt. Okay, I'm going to use tt set wd tt. Okay. Okay, you see there's nothing here. Okay, I'm going to clear it. I'm going to record the previous one. So there's nothing here. I'm going to run it again. Okay, so this is we retrieve the SEC quarterly index for the year 2020. Okay, this take like several seconds, then we can get our result. Okay, so let's look at it. Okay, so actually this is another what is called the subdirectory. Okay, so we can use dir. So this is another subdirectory, and so we generate one R dataset called 2020 master.rda. So let's load it. So let's load it. Load, and again it's subdirectory 2020, and we load it. Okay, so this is our data. Remember, we use A contains the name of the file. Okay, the name of the data set. Okay, to make our operation a bit easier, I'm going to use x equal year. Okay, so make it easier. Okay, so this is x, head of x, tail x. Okay, in total we can use dim. Okay, so in total we have over 1 million. We have over 1 million and entries or observations. Okay, we have 6 date columns. Okay, the first one is called CIK, Central Index Key. So this is company ID. Okay, the second one is name of the company. So this is a different form, and the date filed. And so actually this is location. Okay, this is location. I'm going to show where how to use this one to find specific filing. Okay, so this is an extra one. because the first part is first quarter and last one is fourth quarter. Okay, the first one is, so let's see how many companies filed SEC, filed different filing with SEC. Okay, so we can use A, we use unique, so we use X and X dollar signs. The first one is CIK, so don't use A, we use CIKS. Okay, CIKS plural. Okay, so this is CIK. Okay, so we use how many? CIKS. Okay, so in total there are 135,000, more than 135,000 companies they filed with SEC in 2020. Okay, so another one is, so let's see how many different forms. Okay, so we use forms. Okay, we use form, unique function X, so this is form, and types. Okay, form types. Again, so let's log forms, head, forms. So let's use 100, first 100. And so let's use length forms. Okay, in total we have 387 different forms. Okay, in terms of filing. Okay, so let's look at the meaning of this. This is I called location. Okay, so let's retrieve the first line. Okay, so A equals X. So this is called Edgar link. So this is 1. Okay, and so I got the first one. Okay, so this is Edgar. So 703. So this is correct. Okay, so let's go back to C12. Okay, C12. Oh, it's ICE. Okay, so there is ICE. And so it's 41. So in class exercise 41. Okay, and so this is a pass. I'm going to copy this one. So this is pass. So let's go back here. Pass. Okay, and as I mentioned, after we upload our package called Edgar, EDGAR. Okay, then we can use it's get master, right? Then we can use get master index. We get the index file in 2020. Okay, I show you the meaning of the first one. So this is I stored as A. So this is A, and so this is pass. Okay, so let's combine them together. So I call the in file. I use paste. So this is pass A. Okay, so again, so this is pass. Okay, so this is archive, and so this is specific links, locations. We combine them together. So actually, we can manually look at this. We go to a browser. We launch a browser. We paste it there. So this is specific filing. Okay, so this is company's name, and so this is index key, and this is state, incorporation, and etc. Okay, so this is corporate filing. Okay. Next topic is about most frequently used R command related to R package. So .c12. So last one is frequently used command. I'm going to mention very quickly. Okay, so this is one is called loaded, another is called installed. Okay, so before we load our package like library, so this is library f import. So this is about our data set. Okay, library import. So we have to install it. So this is search. Okay, so let's type search. Okay, we just load Edgar. We also load CTV, and the rest will be default. Okay, when we launch R, there are several R package uploaded automatically, like statistics. And I think this is graphics. Suppose we use plot, and it's from this R package. Okay, and also base, some base command from this one. Okay, so search left right parentheses. So this is will tell us all loaded R package. Okay, so if we want unload one, so we use detach. Suppose we use detach. So this is package equal package, and we call the Edgar. Okay, now we issue search again. So this one will disappear. Okay, Edgar disappear. Okay, so we use library. So we use a library to load a pre-installed R package. We use detach to unload it. Okay, okay, there's another command quite similar. Okay, so if we want to see all the pre-installed R package, then we use library without any input. Okay, then we are going to get all the installed R package. Okay, installed R package. Okay, so this is, for example, I have so many. Combine multiple multidimensional arrays, and there are so many. Okay, there are so many installed R package. Okay, okay, I'm going to show another R function I wrote. It's called search R package. Okay, the last topic I'll show how to generate this data set. Okay, we type search R package. Okay. So I'm going to use an example. For example, search R package. I'm going to use keywords. So A equals dot search R package finance. Okay, and so let's dimension of A. There are 15. Okay, there are 15 R package related to the finance. Okay, and of course, because the finance is in the title. Okay, finance. You see the finance here, finance here, finance here. Obviously, there are many package. They are indirectly finance without mentioning the name, the phrase called finance. Okay, if we want to search data, okay, so let's look at another one. So B. So let's call analytics. Suppose we use analytics as our keywords. Okay. Okay, we have 51. Suppose we look at first 20. Okay. So let's look at, okay, it's yeah, so this is much easier. So this is analytics, Amazon Web Service, analytics services. And so under this one, so this is a date. This is a name of the package. And there are 3 columns. The last one is simple description. Okay, maybe I use print and write equals false. Okay, so this is much easier. Okay, so this is a date. This is name of the package. So this is a title of the simple or short description of specific R package. The last topic is to generate R dataset, including all available R package. Okay, and the first step is R project.org. Okay, then we choose a location or server or mirror. So let's choose any location in the US. Okay, and on the left hand side, click packages. Okay, usually I choose the first list. Okay, so as first step, okay, so let's try to copy this list. So this is available R package by date of publication, and it will take a while. I'm going to show you the end result. Okay, I copy all the one, so let's choose. I paste it here. Okay, I paste it here. Okay, it's a smaller font. Okay, I'm going to save it. Okay, the date package title. Okay, and the separator or delimiter is tab. So let's save. I can see tab all are s txt. Okay, .txt and save it. Okay, and there are some other. Okay, so this file contains characters Unicode format. Just okay, and so I'm going to close it. Okay, and at top at the beginning, and so this is so let's go back. So this is a key number, 17,350. So let's copy paste it, put it here, and so this number, okay, it's very important. Okay, okay, so let's use x equals read line. So this line C temp. So this is all our packages.txt. Okay, I'm going to load this one to my what is called my web page. I copy this data set to this location. So actually, interested reader can just access it. Okay, so this is, yeah, so this is all here. So you can even view it. You look at what kind of separate them. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use this one. So x equals read line. Okay, so this is in file. Okay. Okay, so this is length x. Okay, so this is match of 17,352 because there is a header. Okay, so this is x and this is title. Okay, so we know it's tab. Okay, the first try. So let's use y. Let's use y equal read dot table. Okay, so dot table, and we know separator equals tab. So this is tab. Okay, header equals true. Okay, hopefully we can get it. We have the same data set. Okay, tab. So 352. Okay, so dimension y. You see, we only get so few observation. Okay, so few observation. Okay, so I try to use x. I'm going to try to use x, and so let's try the first number. Okay, so this is, we know the first number is so let's use head x. Okay, so let's look at the second one. Okay, so A equals x2. Okay, so this is number 2. Okay, actually is this one. Okay, so this is first entry. Okay, sorry, this one. So this is the first entry, and we have first one is date, second one is name of the, so this is attribute, and the last one is title, is name of a short description. Okay, so I'm going to use, so let's use B equals, it's called string split. So this is A. We are going to use T. Okay, we are going to use T. Okay, you see, then we successfully split. Okay, so string split function. Okay, A. So this is first one is the date. Second one is the name of the package. Last one is simply explanation. Okay, now the issue is how can we get each of them? Okay, so this one. So let's use 1. Okay, you see the B. Okay, so this is 1. So this is 2, and so this is 3. Okay, then we can use this one. We get all our need. Okay, now we can write a loop. Okay, we can write a loop. I'm going to like copy paste, just write a function. Okay, so this, I'm going to paste it. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, it's bigger. Okay, I'm going to copy my, okay, so I'm going to go up, copy my file. So in file, X read line. Okay, so this okay, so this is first step, and in file I get it. So I equals 2. Okay, I equals 2. So this is I. Okay, so I equals 2. B, I split it. Okay, so this is first one, and so this is second one, and so this is third one. Okay, this is third one. Okay, so I equals 1. So let's get some numbers. Okay, the first one is called my date. So we have nothing. Okay, and second one is called our package. Okay, package name. Okay, and you can use any names. Okay, and the last one is called title. Okay, so we have 3. If I equals 1, and so this is my date, and for I equals, so this is first one. Okay, I'm going to use my package. My package equals, and my title. Okay, to be consistent. Okay, so this is my package equals the second one. So my title equals the last one. Okay, so I'm going to run it to see. So my date and I equals 2. Okay, I should use. Okay, so I equals 2. So this is I equals -1. I equals -1. And again, I -1. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, First one is my date. Second one is my package. Okay. Third one is my title. Okay. All very good. Okay. So n will be a number of the row minus 1. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Because n will be y minus 1, because we know the first one is like header. Okay, we don't need the first one. Okay, so this is how many package available on batch 30th 2021. Okay, so this is for I in 1 to n. Okay, and then we can just get all the data we need. We don't need this one. Okay, and so usually I use to 10. Okay, so this is 10 just for test it. Okay, for test it. Okay, I'm going to put this one here, and okay, I'm going to copy paste for 10. Okay. Okay, so let's look at my date. Okay, my package and my title. Okay, we have all the name. Okay, as a last step, I'm going to use what is called it's called OR package. So this is so I use .x. Usually I use .x data frame. So this is my date, my package, and my title. Okay, I have to use lowercase my title. Okay, then I remove 1 to n, so 1 to n. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, I have to close it. Okay, just double check. Okay, I initially assigned the okay, I generate 3 name, my date, my package, title. So this is from 1 to n. So n is length of x minus 1. Then I assign I. Okay, so this so let's run it. Okay. Okay, so let's look at dimension of x. 351. So 1 is missing. Okay, 1 is missing. There's 3. So let's look at x dot x. So let's use 50. Okay, so too many. 20. 25. Okay, so let's look at n. Okay, I know. Okay, so I should not minus 1. Okay. Because I minus 1 here already, so this I should not minus 1, and I copy the paste. Okay, so this is my final result. Okay, I generate our data set with 17,352 entries of our package. As final step, I just save. Oh, I have to give the names. Okay, so this is colon names dot x. So this is C. So this is called a date. So this is our package. And the last one is called title. Okay, so let's look at So first one is called the date. So this one, because this is today, okay, we use, if you look at the today, then you will see when this our data set was generated. So today generated, okay. So the first column is called the date, second column is called the package, okay, last one is called title, okay. So as the last step, I just save x file equals all r package and rdata. Okay, so this is last step. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, so this is a function I use. Oh, okay, so something wrong. So let's undo it. I have to paste it here. Okay, so I'm going to explain this function quickly. Okay, as first step, and okay, first step is we go to r-project.org. Okay, on the left hand side we click CRAN. We choose a mirror called the server in the country you are located. Okay, then we choose the package. We have two lists. We choose first list, then we copy and paste list as our input file. Okay, I post this input file here, so we can use read.line to read this file. Okay, then we find how many lines we have. Okay, we define 3 variables because we have 3 columns. Then I think the key, we use string split, and so this is tab as our separator. Okay, and again, so this final result actually is a list. So let's see, type of B actually is a list. Okay, so list we have to use a very strange way to find the content of the 3 variables. Okay, so B11, B12, B13. So we assign them to 3 variables. Then we use data frame to combine them together. Oh, I forgot column names. Okay, so this is a complete R function. Okay, I used to generate a R package, R data set called all R package. Okay, that's it.
Shutterstock Music. Shutterstock Music.